What up, y'all? It's your girl Kaylin here. Follow me on Snapchat, which is Kaylin Slay, and on Musically, which is Curly@Kaylin. But I'm gonna tell you guys my Instagram name. So first up is as you can see on the description below, we're doing a slime review. I have 2 slimes, and I want you to comment down below which slime you like the best: clear glue, or clear slimes, or regular slimes. Comment down below. So let's get to it. This is the first slime. It's like a little orange. This is the clear one. Maybe clear glue. And let's go to the next one. This is the one with the white glue, and you can see it has little sequences inside of it. Cute ones. And comment down below which one you think is really stretchy, and comment down below which one is your favorite. Clear or white. Bye guys, please subscribe to my channel, and this is my first YouTube channel.